the new way of affiliate marketing with Clickbank and Google ads and Facebook ads. So in this video I'm going to go step by step, but being really strategic and short so you can understand the new way of doing affiliate marketing and what is the main reason why, as you can see over here on my screen, 93% of people are failing and not making any money with Clickbank affiliate marketing, right? So let's go straight into it. Now, as you can see here, right, we have the old way of doing things and the new way of doing affiliate marketing. So what was the old way, right? If you bought any courses from all these gurus on Clickbank, you should know the old way 1 year, 2 years ago, which is, example, over here, pick an offer for $50, search it by gravity, then go on Facebook ads, run those ads, buy expensive software for tracking, doing all this split testing, split test Facebook ad, split test landing page, split test ad copy, split test headlines. Shit, you don't even know what is anymore to split. And that's the biggest lie in the industry, which is split test, which means that you don't know what you're doing. So heck, you have to go and test everything because you don't know your audience well enough. And then you have to test with at least $1,000 on ads to break even and then hope to get the sales. Okay, so that was the old thing. And if you're watching this video, maybe you had your account shut down, maybe you didn't break even, and yeah, that was the old way. Now on the other hand, over here, right, with us, we have a new way, which is basically, listen closely, pick an offer a product with upsells on Clickbank, right? Why is very important? It has to be high quality product, not a shitty product, right? Why? Because you wanna make the most money. If someone is happy, they're gonna buy more. So it's upsell, take rate, it's go higher. Hence, you making more commissions. Then what you do, the second step is plug in done for you audience-based copy. Emotional copy. Marketing, which is very, very, very deep and important, right? I'm showing another slide. And then run those audience-based ads for 1 to 5 times return on ad spend on Facebook or Google. Very important, right? Now look at here. Very important is this also. What to sell and who to sell to or market to on Clickbank, right? With Clickbank offers on Facebook ads. You have to understand, first thing is who is your audience, right? Audience awareness levels, right? It's different how you promote to women, right? Females and males. It's totally different. But all the gurus, I know it's not your fault if you've done that before. It's not your fault if the gurus told you that on Clickbank in the courses you bought to do this, right? Just put one page up, write a copy, and sell shit to women and guys. It doesn't work, right? Psychology is different. Basic human psychology is different on the female and male spectrum, right? Female and male side is different. You cannot sell same supplement to stay-at-home moms that you're selling to old dudes about 45 to 65 years old who are single. It doesn't work. It's a mismatch. You see, you don't have the right message to market match at the first step. Then you need to understand emotional stages of your audience that are moving through time. And then you have to know there is only at any given point in time, it's only 10% of people out of 100% of people right now on Google ads, YouTube ads, or Facebook ads that are active buyers only, right? It means there are 10 people who will buy your shit immediately without thinking. Only 10. The rest are called as ICE audiences or traffic, right? So you have to learn and understand to have someone helping you to market, right? When you're gonna get reach or actually get good results, break even, make $10,000 per month or more, is when you understand this point, which is if you can master or 1% of marketing to cold audiences, you're gonna win. Why? Because you will not compete with everyone else. If you buy any course, if you bought any course in the past, you know you have thousands of people doing the same thing, competing with each other. Hence, that's why you're not getting any results. Because you don't have ultimate advantage. You don't have an edge. You see, you need an edge in this game. So you don't have to compete. And if you do compete, you compete on the economics. Right? Very important thing. Now the next thing over here is market levels, awareness levels. Eugene Schwartz taught this, which is very important. There are 5 levels. You have unaware audiences, problem aware audiences, solution aware audiences, product aware audiences and most aware audiences. How you market to them is totally different. Again, it's totally different. Why? If someone is aware about the product, let's say they know that iPhone exists, you don't have to convince them to buy the shitty iPhone, right? Because they already know it exists. The trust is built, the desire is there. You don't have to create a desire, right? You don't have to use any persuasion tricks on them in ad copy, right? Because they're already product aware. They know the product is there, so you can do keyword search branding on Google, pay-per-click, and you get money easy. If you understand that it's easy, I'm telling you, but because you don't, and again, it's not your fault if you don't, because you have a choice. Up until now, you maybe did not know, but after you know, it is your fault if you don't take action and have someone to help you along the way, right? Again, depends what audience level it's at. It will depend what message you're going to put in front of them. Another secret I will give you. Have you ever heard about seasonal marketing? It means summer, winter, New Year, for example, autumn, right? Different seasons, different offers you can put, different ads you can do. Very, very, very strategic mechanics, right? It's not theory, it's mechanics and strategic planning, which will help you to elevate yourself and get the result that you desire, right? So very important things. Now here's what I discovered that finally created online success for me, right? What actually helped me was this. I knew if my ads are not working sometimes, right? If your affiliate business, online business is not working, it means that you have a component problem. Component problem can be marketing is not okay, lenders are not okay, maybe your creatives, ad copy, ad images, VSL is not good, or maybe targeting is a mismatch. You have wrong targeting. Either of those four things can be broken. Now you can either fix them, or you can let them be and lose more time and more money doing the stuff that you don't know how to do because you don't know what you don't know, right? You don't know what you don't know. So you need someone to help you along the way one-on-one to actually understand mechanics, and then you can scale and get this kind of results. Wait with scaling. If your goal is 200 to 500 euros per day or dollars per day, easy can do it. Easily. Step by step, as a baby steps. Can be done, of course. There are people making millions per month, per year. We are not talking to you. I'm not saying that you're going to get millions. I'm saying if you do this correctly, you can make $500 per day or more, or $1,000 a day or more, right? Over 30 to 60 days, for example, right? Depending what your budget is, of course. But I'm telling you, once you know who you're targeting and using strategic ad copy, right? It matters how you put your ads together, right? If I throw this phone to the wall and hope it sticks, it won't. It will go down, right? Same things with your ads. If you just throw some ad copy headline and hope it works, it will not work. It won't, right? Very important thing. Think about this, right? You go on Clickbank. You choose an offer, you choose the product with great upsell take rate, paying $100 to $200 per day per commissions, right? Commissions $200 in a day. It means, let's do the math, it means you need one sale a day to make $6,000 per month in profit. $6,000 per month. Now I know for some of you, 6,000 is not a lot of money, right? But that's also over $70,000 per year, which can be yours. Now, if you have only 2 sales per day, you make $400 a day, which is over 10,000 US dollars per month. In 30 days, over 10,000 US dollars, which is also yours, right? But it's all about this that I mentioned right now, right? You need to have someone who will help you step by step, one-on-one along the way, hand-holding you to get the results that you desire, but you also need to take action, right? Now what you can do next, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel over here, you can like this video and leave the comment, and there are links to my social media accounts, also my personal phone, where you can let me know, but only if you're serious, right? Do not reach out to me at all if you're not serious, if you don't have any money to actually invest in you, to get the results that you desire, right? That's very important. If you want the results with Google pay-per-click ads, Clickbank affiliate marketing, or passive income online, or recurring revenue, whatever you want to call it. It does work and it is possible, but it's really up to you, because listen to me closely, once you start implementing this, once you understand this and have someone who's going to help you along the way, then you will be able to become someone who can be a marketer and promote anything online and make a buck, right? And no one can take this away from you. Remember this, right? No one can take this away from you. It's a very skillful power that you can possess, right? Almost magical. Why? Because you can basically go online in the morning, check what offer you want to promote today. Let's say supplement, let's say manifestation, law of attraction, personal growth, all high quality products, of course. You don't have to show your face, your name, nothing. Plug your ads 1 to 2 hours per day to monitor what's happening, and cha-ching, you're getting commissions every single day. And that's how it works in reality, okay? So if you're watching this video and you want to get results, let me know, okay? Connect with me one-on-one after watching this video, of course. But again, if you're serious, you need to have some money to invest if you really want to get to the next level where you can actually get the results and become someone who can become a super affiliate, right? Again, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.